Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe in deeply through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. Today we will be making a wish as we blow out a candle, much like some people do on their birthday. Imagine your finger is your candle. Hold it up and down a little ways away from your mouth. This will be your imaginary candle. What color is your candle? What design would your candle have on it? What color is your candle's flame? It can be any color you want. We are now going to try blowing on our candle ever so gently, so as to make the flame flicker, but not blow out. Breathe in deeply and ever so softly blow on the flame of your candle without blowing it out. Gently blow on your candle again without putting it out. As you inhale, imagine the candle's flame gently leaning toward you as the air rushes into your body. Imagine the flame of your candle leaning away from you and flickering about as you blow on it. The trick is with this breath is when you exhale, you will blow out all the air from your lungs, all of it, as best as you can. Try this breathing now 2 more times on your own. Breathe in. Imagine the candle flickering toward you, then breathe out, and imagine the candle's flame leaning away from you. But don't blow it out. Try it a few times now. Now you can relax. Set your hand back down. And now imagine a wish you would like to make for yourself. It can be as big or small as you want. What wish would you like to imagine coming true for you? We will now take 3 more gentle candle breaths. Then, all together, we will blow out our candle. Once again, bring your finger up to your mouth as your candle. Inhale, and blow gently on the flame until all the air rushes out of your lungs. Inhale, blow softly all the way out. One more time. put your wish back in your mind. And with a big breath, blow out your candle, and may your wish come true. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.